7 tissues which are formed in the body when the food is digested. So what is the Agni which digests the food? What is it called? Jatharagni. Very good. So we cannot waste food, we cannot criticize food, because food is God. And because the Agni is also God, so we are offering food to God. We are offering God to God, right? So if the Agni is also God. So if you're offering bhog to say Bhagwan Dhanvantari or Bhagwan Krishna, will you offer anything that's not clean or which is not pure? No. So you have to offer the best to him. So in the same way, we are feeding the God within us. So will we feed it with street food or junk food? No? So we can't feed God with junk food, right? So it's like doing a puja actually. It's worship of God, the God that dwells within us. When we feed ourselves, we are actually worshipping God. So when you're doing a puja, where is your focus?
In Lord.
Yes, we're focusing on the deity, on God. Are you like looking at the phone, maybe watching your Cartoon Network, and then you'd say, okay, swaha, padyam samarpayami. No? So you can't do that. So your full focus is on God, on that activity, on the puja. So similarly, when you're eating, how many times do you watch cartoon while eating? No? That's excellent. If you don't watch cartoon, that's very good. And then, do you talk to your friends while doing the puja? Om Padyam Samarpayami. Hey, what are you doing in the evening? We'll come and play badminton today. Om Astayo Padyam Samarpayami. You do that? No. So, similarly, do you talk when you're eating? Yes. So, is it respectful for that Agni? So, the shloka is Tan Mana Gunjitha. Gunjitha means eat. Eat with full focus, with your whole man, with your whole mind. So what will all this do? If our digestion will become better. Okay. So what are you focusing on when you said that you have to focus on eating food and not on cartoon, not focus on your friends. So what are you actually focusing on when you're eating?
Chewing.
Very good. So you're chewing. So you have to be mindful that you have to chew the food well. The enzyme in the raw papaya, which is called papain, will curdle the milk. Can you see? It has curdled. You see the paneer, and then you see that's a casein, and then you see the water. So it has curdled. Hitabuk, Mitabuk, Titabuk. And Charak Rishi was very pleased. He said, yes, you're my best student. You've understood how to keep your Agni perfect.